In this video, I will walk you through step by step on how to import from China using Pinduoduo shopping app, step by step tutorial. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure link on 1688 Taoba on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or better still, you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, so let's dive into tutorial and see every step you need to take before you can import from China to whatever country of your choice. So the very first step you need to take as far as importation from China is concerned is to have your shipping address. So for you to have your shipping address, in this particular video here, I have contacted my shipping company. So for you to contact your shipping company, you have to contact them on WhatsApp. So let me take you head over to my WhatsApp right here and show you how to contact your shipping company, how to negotiate with them, and the terms of service, etc. So right here, this is the shipping company I'm going to use right here. This shipping company right here. So let's check it out. All right, so this shipping company right here, I have already contacted them, just like what I explained to you. So right here, I told them I need them to ship some of my item from China. So we have discussed about everything, and as at the time of making this video, their shipping fee was about 6.7 USD per kg. So we have discussed everything as far as importing of my items from China is concerned. So these are all my charts, and more so, you can also share the product picture or the item picture that you want to purchase, just like what you see right here. So these are the items I want to purchase in shopping app using this particular shipping agent to ship the items for me. So after we have successfully discussed about the shipment, so the next thing is that I got my shipping address from this particular shipping company. So after you have successfully got your shipping address, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your shopping app, the Pinduoduo shopping app, and have the address. So let's head over to my Pinduoduo shopping app. So right here, this is my Pinduoduo shopping app right here. So having opened up your Pinduoduo shopping app, the first thing you want to do is to make sure you search for the item. There are two ways to search for an item. You can type search by typing the keyword of the item you want to purchase from the top right here, and you're going to see a variety of results. The second option here is to make use of image search, which is the camera icon right here. So after a successful search for an item by type search or image search, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you contact the seller. This is the second step in your procurement and shipping. So for you to contact the seller, I have already contacted them. Let me just show you. So I have to visit my box right here, my chat box right here. Having opened up my chat box right here, so let me click on this is the first seller right here. We have already chat, and this is the picture of the items. So you can also send a picture of exactly what you need to the supplier. So you can just screenshot it, or you download the product picture of exactly what you need from their sales page and upload it to them. So this is exactly what I need, and we have discussed about it. So, and then let's take a look at another seller I was able to contact. So this particular seller right here also, and I need this hoodie from this particular seller. So we have discussed about it. I've sent them the screenshot of exactly what I need. So I was able to discuss to about 5 or 6 sub-seller. Then after you have successful discuss with the seller, and when you are talking to all these seller, make sure you are communicating with them in Chinese language, because some of these seller, they do not understand English. So after you have successful chat with them, the next thing you want to do is to add the item to cart. For you to add an item to cart, let's for instance, I want to add this particular item to cart. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on the product link, or I visit their store bar. So here is the item link right here. I will just click on it, and then I will add the item to cart. Better still, if you don't know how to add an item to cart, you can check the video on my channel. I have made a lot of video step by step on how you can add item to cart on Pinduoduo shopping app. So after you have successfully add an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to visit your cart. So let's exit from the chat box right here. Then for us to visit our cart in order to check out for purchase and payment, next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on here to visit our profile. Then on getting to your profile, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here. This is your cart right here. Boom. So all the item you want to purchase is going to be on your cart right here. So I'm purchasing some of the items right here, which I'm going to select one after the other. So right here, I'm purchasing this item right here. So we can click on it and check on the item picture. So I'm purchasing this item. So I will just select on that. Then I'm purchasing this item also. Let's check out the product picture. So you can see I'm purchasing this one also. Let's go back. I'm going to select that. Then I'm purchasing this item also. Let's check it out. So you can see the product picture. So let's go back. I'm going to select on that. Then I'm purchasing this item also. Let's check it out. So this is red, but I've already selected blue color. So I'm going to select on that. Then I'm purchasing this item also. So you can see the quality of the round neck. So let's go back and I will just select it. I've already selected orange color. So that is the color I want from this seller. So I'm going to scroll down and right here, this is the seller sales page of the studio light. So I'm purchasing this studio light also. So everything right here is about 281 yuan. So I think I'm purchasing this one here also. So let's check it out. So I've already selected the size and the color. So I'm going to select on that. So everything I'm purchasing right here, it's going to cost about 290.29 yuan to purchase everything. For me to make a payment, I have to click on here to proceed to checkout. So on getting to the checkout, you can also check everything before you proceed or before you go ahead to your payment. So just like what you see right here, these are all the items preview that I'm going to make a payment for. So you can also check and see if there are things you want to delete or there are things you want to add into the items checkout. So after you have confirmed all the items and then you are ready to make a purchase, Alipay is checked and this is also active. Next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then you can see Alipay has been connected and ready for the payment. So next thing you want to do right here is to click on confirm, then enter my payment password. Boom, it's as simple as that. So you can see payment done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on done right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to close the pump up. Then we can click here to go back to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, so let's check all the items we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check them out. So you can see all the items right here has been successfully purchased. So we have them here and the very last one here is already on this particular point here, which has to do with payment has been approved, but wait for the seller to pull out the item. So this is how to buy. All the steps you need to follow in terms of when you are trying to import from China using Pinduoduo shopping app. These are all the necessary steps to follow. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content about importation business from China and some other country like this, you will be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba, on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.